setting up your class. To begin, click the My Lab tab and create term folder. Choose a name for your term and click Create. Now, click on the folder and create new class. Create a new folder for each of the classes that you teach. You can label them by name, add an optional description, choose the grade level, and the subject. Then, choose an icon that best represents your class. From here, click on the class to set up your roster. Add as many students as you like, choose the gender, and click Save. You'll now see your class populated with all of the students that you've chosen. Only the first name will appear in the builder. To return to your class, click on the name in the top left. To return to your term folder, click on My Lab, and to add a class, click Create New Class and start again. Thank you for using commentslab.com.